Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to share photos on Instagram using your Android device. Whether you want to share a stunning photo you came across or simply spread the love for someone else's post, we've got you covered. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged into your account. The app's vibrant visual interface makes it a breeze to browse through all those amazing posts from your followers and favorite creators. Next, find the profile photo you want to share. This could be an image that caught your eye from friends, family, or even a favorite influencer. Simply scroll through your feed, or use the search feature to locate the profile quickly. Once you've found the perfect post, open it so you can see it in all its glory. Now here comes the fun part. Look at the bottom right corner of the photo post. You'll see a little paper plane icon. This is the share button. Simply tap on it, and a list of your friends will pop up. You can choose to send the photo directly to any of your friends, or even add it to your Instagram story. Once you've selected who you want to share it with, just hit send, and voila! You've successfully shared a photo on Instagram. And that's all there is to it. With just a few simple steps, you can easily share beautiful moments and memories with your friends on Instagram. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more easy-to-follow guides. Thanks for watching.